Hey everybody, haven't made a video in a while, so it's been a while since I haven't done any trains in a while. So I haven't made trains right now because in Illinois they had to do this stay at home order to the April 30th. So I haven't made no videos, well, because of the coronavirus COVID-19. So all I've been doing lately is just playing with these trains. I've been make playing with them and making videos of them. So that's what I've been doing, playing this layout. It's kind of a little mess. Doing this layout with these stations right here. I got got control right here. That I got the Hobby Short long ago. It's gonna last longer. So I got these trains from Christmas of 2019, and some of that I bought with my own money. So we'll go over it, what I have right now. So this is a Metra F40PH number 163 of City Elmhurst. This is the red blue one with the front with headlights and number lights and some marker lights. Back looks nice. Got the little bike contest. Well, when I had it when I was young, I broke it so much, and I took it to the hobby store and fixed it. Got it fixed. And this is a bi-level coach car, number 6044. You got this side also. It's with two level cars. And this one's a cab car, number A527. And I got it fixed also. This is what the headlight marker lights, cab car, really nice. And I also got around to the Amtrak. See, this one should be a brand new engine, number 34, Amtrak P42, into the phase 3 color when they first got the Genesis locomotive. Really nice. Paint got gray, silver, really nice car. Headlights, marker light doesn't turn. There's road lights turn on, but the back light can turn on. This one's the 40th anniversary of the 1971 and 2011, number 184 into phase 4 color, same as it's a P42 into marker lights and headlights, road number lights, and the back light. And I got that fixed also. And this one's a, let's see, this mic can't focus really all. Say, oh, it's the ACS 64 locomotive for the Northeast Corridor, number 1621. Got headlights. They got some electric trains for the Northeast Corridor. Really nice train. And it came with Antfleet cars like, okay, this one's Antfleet car. These are numbers like, they come in like A2500 and A205 and A241. This one's really nice. They're Antfleet cars. Got the marker lights. And this one we're gonna go way far. This one's a cafe car, where it's really an Antfleet cafe car where the people get snacks and drink wherever they get. They're really nice. Well, on the East Coast, they had this. This is called a View Iron sleep car. Really nice. Got the bedroom and roomettes and one shower. Got some tank on the body on there. The door's a little different. One's a whole door. One's are two doors that open together. And the next one's gonna be the Amtrak VR baggage car number 61006 into phase 3 color. Really nice. Got the two marker lights, but it's got these wheels are good and would body look good. Okay, we're on to the next one's gonna be the Chicago, Burlington, Quincy, the Illinois Railroad Museum, the Burlington, Burlington, the engine, whatever you call it, the Soul Streak, yeah. This one is the Black and the Lions by Burlington Route. And they got free truckers in there. Really nice. Got the body look nice and the couple are silver. Really nice. Okay, this one's a mail car where they got store mails in there, and that's the guy. This is to open the mails, and people go in there to get the mails. This one's the baggage car for the Soul Streak. The silver light. I forgot. This one's the silver Shing. The Shing, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. This one's another Burlington coach called the So Glow. It's really nice. Doors are open and this one's a door. This one is a Soul Gym. Got one door, same, no door. And this one's the observation car called Burlington, called the Silver Sprint. Got door. And this one, and they got marker lights, a headlight, and the sign glows. They got marker lights. Top. One nice car. Oh, that's about it. But I got those two super irons that are broken already. Then I got Schaumburg Station, and I made that own. And I got some tracks, that new bridge on there. So this is pretty much it for me. This during the quarantine, during the coronavirus, that stay home more. So this is what I've been doing. And then I get this to put it on the rail. So that's pretty much it. So any questions or comment down or just subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.